Hello, let's do some exercises. First of all, create the database homework2 database and work inside it. For this, we will write the queries create database homework2 database and also use homework2 database. We can hatch both queries with the mouse, execute them, and now we can move on to the first exercise. Create the product table to store products. The products will have a numeric type ID, a name, and a double price. Delete the price column from the table. Pause this video and try, after which we will solve this exercise together. First, we will create our table. We will write create table product, open parenthesis, a semicolon at the end, and our products will have an ID of type int, a product name of type varchar of 30 positions, and a product price of type decimal of 4 and 2. We will create this table and let's select now all its values. We will write select everything from the name of our table product. We will execute the query and we can see that our product table has an ID, a name, and a price. To delete the price column, we will write the statement alter table product, drop column P underline price. We will hatch our query, execute it, and now let's select again everything from our table product. We can see that the price column is now gone. Also, let's completely delete this table. We will write drop table product. We will execute this query and now let's try to select again everything from our product table. We can see that the table homework2 database.product doesn't exist. Let's move on to exercise 2. Create the people table to store people. People will have a numeric type ID, a name, a phone number, a date of birth, and a height. Add a column representing the person's gender, which could be M or F. Also, add a column to represent the person's IQ. Pause this video and try, after which we will solve this exercise together. We will write the query create table people, and this table will have the following columns: an ID of type int, a person name of type varchar of 20 positions, a person telephone number of type varchar of 10 positions, a person birthday of type date, and a person height of type decimal of 4 and 2. Let's create our table, hatch it and execute it. Let's now select everything from the table we just created. We will write select star from people. We can see that we have an ID, a name, telephone number, birthday, and height. Let's add a new column that represents the person's gender. We will write alter table people, add gender varchar of 1. We will execute this query. Again, select everything from people, and now we can see that we also have another column called gender. We will add another column to represent the person's IQ. So we are going to write almost the same query. We will write alter table people, add p_iq, which this time will be of type int. Let's execute our query. Again, select everything from people, and we can see that now we have both gender and IQ. Let's completely delete this table. We will write drop table people. Now, if you are trying to execute again this query, select everything from people, which now is a non-existing table, we will have an error. The table people doesn't exist. Let's move on to exercise 3. Create the computer table to store computers. Computers will have a brand, a RAM memory, a processor, and a price. Delete the memory column and the processor column. Add the color and description columns. Pause this video and try, after which we will write the queries together. We will write the query that I wrote in the previous videos. We will have create table computer, which will have the following columns. We will have a brand varchar of 20 positions. We will have a RAM of type int. We will have a processor varchar of 20 and the price of type int. We will create this table, and after that we will select all our columns. For that we will write select all from computer. We will execute this query, and we can see that we have a brand, a RAM, a processor, and a price. Let's delete the RAM and processor columns. We will write alter table computer, drop column RAM. We will also write alter table computer, drop column processor. To duplicate a line of code, you can simply click anywhere on the line and press Ctrl D. So, let's delete both these columns. We will execute the queries, select again everything from the computer table, and now we will only have a brand and the price. Now, let's add two columns. We will write alter table computer, add C_color. It will be of type varchar of 15. Also, we will add another column, which will be computer description, also of type varchar of 100 positions. We will execute both queries. Now, we will select everything from our computer table, and we can see that we have our initial brand and price, and also we added two more columns, color and description. Let's clean our database by deleting our computer table. Drop table computer. If we now execute the show tables command, we can see that all our tables have also been deleted.